What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna do a very quick video on common leak points for vacuum leaks on the E46. I've had all of these so far. The first one, EGR valve, the secondary air injection valve. This soft line right here, mine was corroded and cracked. That connects to a hard line that runs all the way around the back to another soft line, which I also changed, and that goes to the solenoid. And then you can't see it, but you can feel it on the back here. There's a check valve that connects to the solenoid and also to the manifold itself. I've had that fall off before, so I've replaced that line as well. And then there are two caps, and I was also missing a cap. So one you'll feel on this side if you reach underneath, and the other one's right here if you reach underneath. This one on the left is 3.5 millimeters vacuum cap, and the one on the right is a 7 millimeter. AutoZone didn't carry metric, so I just made my own. Let me show you real quick. I had some fuel line. This is 4.8 millimeters. I needed 7, so I did the conversion. I looked it up online. It's 9/32 is the closest fractional size. So I took a drill bit and I opened it up, and then I cut a small piece off. I used some epoxy to seal off the back half. So once that's done drying, I'll have essentially a plug. And I already test fit it. It fits really nice and tight. And that's gonna take care of that leak. And then the final, most common point, for me at least, has been these boots. They crack, especially on this smaller portion right here. That's over by the block. And once these leak, you'll be sucking in air after the mass airflow sensor, causing your system to run lean, and you'll see your gas mileage go down. These I had replaced, and I still have another set, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw them on because for some reason I was showing a little leak right here somewhere. It might be on the bottom, but it was coming off the throttle body. So I'll go ahead and replace those while I'm at it. And that's it. Those are the common, at least for me, the common leaks that I've seen for the vacuum system. You also have vacuum system right here. This is all vacuum. And then you got this seal could maybe leak, or this unit. But if you smoke test it, you'll see where it's coming from. If you don't have a smoke tester, definitely check your boots, and then you can reach around and check those caps. That's it. If you got any questions, comment down below. I hope this video helps somebody. And like, comment, subscribe. See you guys next time. Take care.